Okay, time has come to install the engine and gearbox assembly into the Bedford that we've been working on for quite a few months. Where's Emma? Come here. Emma, come here. So this has all been rebuilt. The whole engine's been rebuilt. Gearbox has been apart. Gearbox is good. New clutch, flywheel, all the linkages have been remade. Emma here has done most of the work. She loves it. She loves this. She loves it. Absolutely loves it. So it's a big moment to fit this all up in today. So she's done all the brakes, all the steering. Well, not all the steering, but a lot of it. All new linkages, tyres. What else, Emma? All the brake components,
Handbrake, booster,
master cylinders overhauled. Wheel cylinders all overhauled. New shoes, springs, all the pivot points, linkages. What is it?
bearings, wheel bearings,
Seals.
wheels.
There's not much that hasn't been apart on this truck as the running is. So we might fit it in today. It's mostly assembled. We might as well try and fit it all in one go, and then just got to hook all the lines up. And we've got a different carburetor manifold we're running off the other engine, but it should be pretty good. Anyway, looks the part. Looks fine. Oil filter was a major issue. Could not find that. I have manufactured something in there, a PT12 oil filter from Baldwin. I've actually made that fit inside there. I've actually used VS, Commodore, sway bar link, washers. Anyway, it's quite involved. But I've made something fit in there because I can't find the original oil filter K11. Can't find one anywhere. Anyway. Alright, so Emma, over to you, mate. All yours, put it in. Okay, so this is Emma's big moment. She's in the truck. She's in there smiling. So we're going to start it, or we're going to crank it. We've got an oil pressure gauge on there, water in. I've got the coil disconnected. I've got the plugs in. I should have them out really to wind it over. We have pre-primed the oil filter housing and everything. I just want to see if it cranks over. We haven't done anything with this yet. All right, Emma, just crank it, see what happens. Nothing? You got nothing? No cranking?
Okay.
What do you mean? Yeah, go. See the oil pressure? Come around here. Go again, Emma. There's the oil pressure's just pumped up. Perfect. We've got good oil pressure. Keep cranking. Go. It must be a little bit dicky on the switch. Has it? That's what I said, it's pumping fuel.
Go all the way off and on.
Push the button.
It's fine.
Yeah. You crank it?
Yep.
Wrong way. Okay, go.
Shut up, though.
Back up to this spark. There we go. I don't know. Still not running all of them.
Not charging.
That's not a fucking good Come on, Emma. Alright, so we first initially started, we knew we got good oil pressure and stuff like this the other day. Once we had it running, we had a couple little teething issues because we haven't started it. Had a little small leak out of the oil filter housing, had a bit of a misfire, or dead cylinder stuff, so we've just rechecked the valve clearances and checked the plugs were a little bit foul because I was tipping a bit of fuel in there. And then once we had it running, we had the fuel pump started bloody leaking on us, so we've got a rebuild kit for that. So we're going to give it another go. Emma's in there again. Look at the smiles on. You ready? Go. Hang on, there's a spark dumping here. Hold on. Stop, is it off? Off. There's just a spark coming out on that. Okay, go again. Pretty good. Choose the carb, we're just going to dial that in, we'll do the timing. Just check the well as well. Get the oil meter out. Oil pressure. Woo! Beautiful. Okay. Good. Yeah, great.
Oh, beer boy. First time it's been driven in 40 years. With a sunroof and everything else on the back.
Oh my god. Oh no, he's gonna drive it anyway. Yeah, it is. You get seconds? That's it, go. God, I hope he doesn't.